Hello, my name is Tim Watson. I'm an eco-restorative design architect. Have you ever heard of buildings and dwellings that teach people? That's right, I said teach people. You'll learn more about that right here. In the next 15 minutes or so, you'll have the opportunity to learn how you can build, or rather assemble, your own affordable home that meets all of your needs as well as the needs of the ecosystem life communities right around where you're going to be living. Very importantly, you'll also have the opportunity to learn about living systems. Living systems are incorporated into the design of your home. We hope you'll enjoy this presentation.